a few stuff I want to do. I just getting from work. I'm sweating so bad already. I'm just back from work and I decided that I want to share with you my night routine. So it's now, let me see, what time is it? I just get in from work 6:56. I stopped by the supermarket as usual, but this time I didn't buy anything. I just checked the price for something there for one of my co-workers. So what I have to do tonight, I do have some laundry to fold. Also, do I need to make dinner? I do have no lunch to carry to work tomorrow, so I do need to make something. So guess what? First things first, let me go and take the meat out of the refrigerator. That's the first thing I need to do. I need to do some straightening up because I wasn't here the whole weekend. Look. Oh Lord. Can't believe it. Cut the ice cream. I need to eat this ice cream cake. I want it to melt a little. I eat my ice cream when it's a bit melted. Look in my fridge. Wow. It's well stocked. Good. Let me take out this meat. This is the leg. I think I'll look about the legs. I'll just put them in the air fryer. Yeah. I think I'm gonna look about the legs. Put them in the air fryer. I have these dishes to do. Yeah, so guess what? I'm gonna do that first things first. So normally I am the person that change my clothes and then I start in the kitchen. Right now, because of how I feel, I am going to, because of how I feel now, I'm going to just start putting the chicken to melt out and also clear out these few dishes from out of the sink. Yeah, no water in the pipe now, so no water not in the pipe. So the good thing is I have bottled water, so let me get that done. Alright, so the first thing I normally do, as I say, I normally put the meat to thaw. That's the first thing, so I'm going to do that now. I purchased these drumsticks some time ago at Super Value, these chicken legs, $525 for the tray here. I'm going to put it in some water. Same time before, I know, but I want it. So I purchased this ice cream cake last night. So nights are so hot. That's the first thing. So before I go to the bathroom or anything, I always come in the kitchen first. I normally change my clothes, but I'm going to change my clothes now. I just wanted to get the dishes out of the way. So let me know down in the comment if you're a person that come home, change your clothes, bathe first and then you cook, or you come home, cook and then you bathe, or you come home, do the dishes first, or you cook then you do the dishes. Let me know what's the sequence of your night routine. If you're a person that goes to your 9-to-5 job or whatever job you go to, if it's your own business, let me know what's your routine. So my routine now is, because I didn't know what I was going to cook, as you can see, I just take out these chicken legs. This is for basically dinner and lunch. So I'm going to prepare these. I'm going to put on some rice to steam, and these I will be putting in the air fryer. Yeah, it's clean. I always wash it out. I'm going to put those in the air fryer. I have some laundry there to fold up because I was at my family home for the Independence weekend, which was Sunday and Monday. That is August 6th and 7th. So I wash my clothes up there and I carry them down, so I'm going to fold them. These days I always have my bottle of water because the time is so hot, as I mentioned. Doing, I'm sharing out lunch now before I share my dinner. guys. So I'm currently eating now, and then I will go into bed after I finish eat because I already tidied the kitchen. So the only thing left for me to wash is this plate, and that's it for the rest of the night. This is just a simple night routine. Some nights I don't come and do all of this. Some nights I just relax and watch TV. Other nights I try to clean up a little area in the night each night, like when I tidy the kitchen tonight. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this vlog. See you again on the next video.